I was going with this 2008 Triple Threads here at Senior Chief Cohane, also known as Harry, PJ Sports Cards, here in Chula Vista, California. See what we get in this.
Okay, so how does this open?
Let's get a Mickey Mantle box, huh?
Yeah. The boxes. I like the box. That looks kind of cool.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It's its own patch card.
Yeah, here, let's go to it. See where we can. Yeah.
Let's see what we get.
Either one will have the patch and the other have the auto.
Yeah. Sometimes you never know. Might get both being autos. Might luck out.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I got the silver one.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks pretty thick. Looks nice. Looks like you got a brick in there. Maybe not. So misleading.
Nice cards. They're really nice cards.
Harmon Killebrew, number to 1350. Rod Carew. Gil Mash. Elijah Dukes. Triple Relic Auto. The back.
6799. Pretty cool. Nice. Brian Roberts. Johansson.
And Johan. Okay.
Next pack.
I think he was with Tampa Bay, but
Who was that?
Elijah
He cut the other side, I think.
Yeah, this is a Mickey Mantle here.
No whammies, no whammies.
Yeah.
Cal Ripken.
This would be the Triple Relic Cal Ripken.
Stan Musial, okay. Johnny Mize.
2 of 9. Roy Campanella, Johnny Bench.
Wow.
Oh, nice. 2 of 9. Nice card.
2 of 9.
That's a very good card. Nice.
Johnny Padres.
Pedro
And
Martinez.
Pedro.
That's a nice card.
If just as an after.